Hi. Have you decided what to order?
Not yet. Everything on the menu looks delicious.
I know, right? This place is very popular.
What do you usually order here?
I often order the grilled chicken and a salad.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, and it tastes really good too.
I'm thinking about trying the pasta.
That's a great choice. I've tried it before, and it's amazing.
Do you want to share a drink?
Sure, that's a good idea.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And I'll have the pasta.
This is going to be a great meal.
Yes, I'm excited.
At the park.
It's such a beautiful day today. Yes, the weather is perfect for going outside. Do you come to this park often? Yes, I like to relax here and enjoy nature. I like it too. It's very peaceful. Sometimes I come here to read a book. That's nice. What do you like about this park? I like the fresh air, the trees, and the quiet atmosphere. I like it too. It's very peaceful here. It's a great place to relax after a busy day. Sometimes I see people jogging and exercising here. That's true. Many people come here to stay healthy. Do you ever exercise in the park?
Yes, sometimes I go for a walk or do some light stretching.
That sounds relaxing. It is. It helps me feel calm and refreshed. What do you usually do here besides walking? Sometimes I sit on a bench and read a book. It's nice to spend time outdoors. Yes, it helps reduce stress and gives us more energy. I think I should visit this park more often. You should. It's a wonderful place to relax and enjoy nature.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the nearest bank.
No problem. It's not far from here. Go straight down this street and turn left at the corner.
Okay. Is it easy to find?
Yes, it is. The bank is next to a pharmacy.
Great. How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 5 minutes on foot.
That's not far at all.
No, it's very close.
Thank you. Is there a restaurant near the bank?
Yes, there is a small restaurant right next to it.
Really? What kind of food do they serve?
They serve local food, noodles, and rice dishes.
That sounds good. I'm also looking for a place to eat lunch.
Then I think you will like it. The food is very good, and the prices are reasonable.
Excellent! Do many people eat there?
Yes, it's quite popular, especially during lunchtime.
Thanks for all the information.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal, and good luck at the bank.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Talking about exercise and health.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week.
That's great. What kind of exercise do you usually do?
I usually go jogging, do some simple workouts, and sometimes ride my bicycle.
That sounds healthy. Do you enjoy exercising?
Yes, I do. It helps me feel happy and gives me more energy.
I want to start exercising, but I feel lazy sometimes.
That's normal. Many people feel that way in the beginning.
How did you make exercise a habit?
I started with just 15 minutes a day. Then I slowly exercised for a longer time.
Maybe I can start with walking after dinner.
That's a great idea. Walking is easy, healthy, and relaxing.
How long do you exercise each time?
Usually about 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Do you exercise alone or with friends?
Most of the time I exercise alone, but sometimes I go jogging with my friend on weekends.
I think exercising with a friend would be more fun.
Yes, it helps you stay motivated and makes exercise more enjoyable.
I also want to become healthier and lose a little weight.
That's a good goal. Just remember to eat healthy food and get enough sleep, too.
Thanks for your advice. I will try to exercise more often.
You're welcome. Keep going and don't give up. You can do it.
At the doctor.
Hi, what's wrong? You don't look well today.
I'm not feeling very good. I think I have a cold.
Oh no. When did you start feeling sick?
It started last night. I felt a little tired at first, but this morning I felt much worse.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, a runny nose, and I feel very tired.
That doesn't sound good. Do you have a fever too?
I'm not sure. I feel a bit warm, but I haven't checked my temperature yet.
Have you been getting enough sleep lately?
Not really. I've been very busy at work and staying up late.
That might be part of the problem. Are you taking any medicine?
Just some basic medicine for my headache and sore throat.
Make sure you drink a lot of water and get enough rest.
I will. I've been trying to stay in bed most of the day.
That's good. You should also eat healthy food to help your body recover.
Thanks for the advice. I'll try to take better care of myself.
I hope you feel better soon and recover quickly.
Thank you. I really appreciate your concern.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
At the bank.
Hello. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to open a bank account.
Of course. Have you opened it with us before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. Do you have any identification with you?
Yes, I have my ID card and passport.
Great. I'll need to see those documents. Please fill out this form as well.
Okay. Is the form difficult to complete?
Not at all. It only asks for your personal information and contact details.
All right. What kind of account should I choose?
It depends on your needs. A savings account is good if you want to save money and earn a little interest.
That sounds good. I think I'll open a savings account.
Excellent choice. Would you like a debit card with your account?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Certainly. You can use the debit card to withdraw money and make payments.
That sounds convenient.
It is. Have you finished filling out the form?
Yes, I have.
Perfect. I'll process your application now.
Thank you. How long will it take?
It will take about 10 minutes.
That's great. I'll wait here.
Your account should be ready shortly.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the bus stop.
Hi, are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. I've been waiting for about 10 minutes.
Oh, really? Do you know when the bus will arrive?
I think it should arrive soon. It's usually on time.
I hope so. I don't want to be late for work today.
Where do you work?
I work at a company in the city center.
Oh, that's quite far from here.
Yes, it takes about 30 minutes by bus.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday. What about you?
I take it almost every day, too. I work at a department store near the train station.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I meet many different people every day.
That's great. My job is mostly office work, so it can be a little busy sometimes.
I understand. Traffic can also make the trip longer.
That's true. The traffic is often heavy during the morning.
Especially on Mondays. The roads are usually very crowded.
Yes, I noticed that too.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Finally! We won't be late after all.
That's good. Let's get on the bus.
Sure. Have a great day!
You too.
Talking about childhood dreams.
What did you want to become when you were a child?
I wanted to become a doctor
Really? Why?
because I wanted to help people.
That's very kind.
What about you?
I wanted to become a pilot.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, I loved airplanes when I was young.
Did your dream change over time?
Yes, now I'm interested in business and technology.
That's interesting.
What about you? Do you still want to help people?
Yes, I do. Maybe in a different way.
Dreams can change as we grow.
That's true.
The important thing is to keep learning and improving.
I completely agree.
Job interview.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure. I am a hardworking person, and I enjoy learning new skills.
That's great. Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I want to gain experience and grow my career.
Do you have any experience in this field?
Yes, I worked in a similar position before.
What are your strengths?
I am responsible, organized, and I work well in a team.
That's good to hear. What is your weakness?
Sometimes I focus too much on details, but I am improving.
Thank you for your answers.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Dengue fever. Symptoms and protection.
Hi. You don't look well. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a high fever and a bad headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you seen a doctor?
Yes. The doctor said I might have dengue fever.
Oh no! Dengue fever is spread by mosquito bites. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. The doctor told me to drink plenty of water and get enough rest.
That's good advice. How can we protect ourselves from dengue fever? How do we stop this?
We should use mosquito repellent, wear long-sleeved clothes, and sleep under a mosquito net.
We should also remove standing water from buckets, flower pots, bottles, and old tires because mosquitoes lay their eggs there.
That's right. Keeping our homes and yards clean can help prevent dengue fever.
I learned something important today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's stay safe and protect ourselves from mosquitoes.
At the airport, check-in.
Hello, may I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I'm flying to Malaysia.
Great. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay. Is it within the weight limit?
Yes, it's fine.
That's good to hear.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat.
All right, here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Talking about daily habits.
Hello, what are your daily habits?
Hi, I wake up early and try to be productive.
That's great. What do you do in the morning?
I exercise and then have breakfast.
That's a healthy routine.
Yes, it helps me feel energetic.
Do you have any bad habits?
Sometimes I use my phone too much.
I have the same problem.
It's hard to control.
Yes, but we should try to reduce it.
I agree. Good habits are important.
They help us improve our lives.
Exactly.
At the train station.
Excuse me, is this the train to the city center?
Yes, it is. Are you traveling there?
Yes, it's my first time going there.
That's nice. It's a very busy place.
How long does the journey take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
That's quite fast.
Yes, the train is usually very convenient.
Do I need to buy a ticket before boarding?
Yes, you can buy it at the counter or use a card.
Thank you. Is this train usually crowded?
During rush hour, yes. But now it's not too bad.
That's good to know.
The train is arriving now. Let's get ready.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
At the hotel.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name John.
Let me check. Yes, I found your booking.
Great. Can I check in now?
Yes, your room is ready. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You will be staying for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Here is your room key. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
That's perfect. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, it's free. The password is on your key card.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
At the gym after workout.
Hi, I haven't seen you at the gym for a few days.
Hi, yes, I've been busy with work lately.
I understand. It can be difficult to find time for exercise.
Exactly. I've been working late almost every day.
That sounds exhausting.
It is, but I'm trying to get back into my routine.
That's great. What kind of workouts do you usually do?
I mostly do cardio and light weight training.
Nice. I enjoy weight training more than cardio
Really? Why is that?
because I like seeing my progress over time.
That makes sense.
Do you have any fitness goals?
Yes, I want to improve my stamina and stay healthy.
Those are good goals.
What about you?
I want to build more strength and improve my overall fitness.
Consistency is the key.
Absolutely. Small improvements every week can make a big difference.
I couldn't agree more.
At the market.
Wow, this market is very busy today.
Yes, it is. Many people come here on weekends to buy food and other things.
Do you often shop here?
Yes, I do. I come here almost every weekend.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy fresh fruits, vegetables, and sometimes fish.
That's nice. Everything looks very fresh.
Yes, the food here is always fresh, and the prices are reasonable too.
That's good. Supermarkets can be more expensive sometimes.
You're right. I also enjoy walking around.
And looking at all the different stalls. What are you buying today?
Today, I'm buying some vegetables, fish, and a few oranges.
What are you going to cook?
I'm going to make fish with vegetables for dinner.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook often?
I cook at home several times a week. I really enjoy it.
That's great. I like cooking too, but I'm still learning. Everyone starts somewhere.
The more you practice, the better you become.
That's true. Sometimes my food doesn't taste very good.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect.
You're right. Maybe you can teach me some easy recipes someday.
Of course! I'd be happy to help you learn.
Thank you, Rose. That would be wonderful.
You're welcome, Joe. Cooking can be fun and rewarding.